Okay. So in the last session, we had seen the concept of the collection. Collection is nothing but it is a way of accessing the container. It is a way of accessing the storage values, and it has sub parts, which is nothing but the sets, list, and the iterators. Now we will see the iterators. So iterator is basically it is an object which is associated with the collections. Okay, it is an object which is associated with the collections, which is keeping track of the data which is stored into the collection container. Okay, so the iterator provides the methods for fetching the element of collections one at a time in some order. Okay, so whatever is the data which is available with us, so that could be accessed with the help of the iterators. Okay, we can move on also, we can move further also with the help of the has next kind of the methods, and we can come back also. Okay, iterator have the method for removing the collections last item fetched. We can remove the elements which we have inserted into the container at last time. Okay, so what are those methods? The iterator, it implements basically the iterator interface as it is an interface. So we know that we could not able to create the object, but we could able to create the reference of this iterator. This interface basically specifies the following methods. The first one is nothing but has next, which is returning the Boolean value, whether the next element is present or not. So that is decided by this has next method. The next element, if it is available, then at that time to move towards the next element, we are using the next. If you want to remove the last element which is added, then at that time the remove method we are using. The remove is optional, so not all iterator have the remove method, but in most of the iterators we are having the has next and next method. Okay, so basically here is a description of the iterator interface. Basically it is returning the Boolean values. It returns the true if there is at least one more element from the collection that can be returned. Okay, it means that there should be at least one element, and if that element is available, then at that time we are using the has next method is returning the true values. Otherwise it is returning the false values. Okay, next it returns the next element from the collections. Remove, it removes from the collection the elements written by the last call to the next. It means that the last entered element is removed with the help of remove. Okay, this method can be called at least one time for each call to next. Okay, so now the next is a list interface. So the list is nothing but it is just like